Did you know YouTube might show 1,000 ads on your videos? Advertisers could pay $8 to $20, and yet you might only receive a fraction of that money? So where does the rest go? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how YouTube pays creators, and once you understand these numbers, your analytics page will finally make sense. Part 1. The confusing analytics page. If you've ever opened your YouTube analytics, you've probably seen terms like CPM, monetized playbacks, playback-based revenue, and most creators look at it thinking, what does any of this even mean? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how YouTube calculates your money. Part 2. CPM explained. Let's start with CPM. CPM stands for cost per mille, which means cost per 1,000 ad views. The reason it's called mille is because the letter M in Roman numerals equals 1,000. So when advertisers run ads on your videos, they pay a certain amount for every 1,000 times those ads are shown. For example, if your CPM is $10, advertisers pay $10 for every 1,000 ads displayed on your videos. But here's the catch. That doesn't mean you get the full $10. Part 3. Monetized playbacks. Next is monetized playbacks. This is the number of times viewers actually saw an ad on your video. Because not every view shows an ad. Someone might skip the ad, or YouTube might not show one at all. So if your video gets 10,000 views, you might only have 3,000 monetized playbacks. That means ads were only shown 3,000 times. Part 4. Gross revenue reality. Now let's talk about playback-based gross revenue. This number shows how much advertisers paid in total. But here's the truth most new creators don't know. YouTube takes a cut. Google keeps about 45% of the ad revenue, and if you're signed with a network or agency, they might take another 10 to 25%. So if advertisers paid $100, you might actually receive something closer to 40 or less. That's why looking at gross revenue can be misleading, because it's not your final payout. Part 5. The only 3 metrics that matter. When it comes to understanding YouTube earnings, you only need to focus on 3 things. 1. CPM, how much advertisers pay per 1,000 ads. 2. Monetized playbacks, how many ads were actually shown. 3. Revenue, what you actually earn after YouTube takes its share. Once you understand these 3 numbers, YouTube analytics suddenly becomes very simple. Ending, viral closing. So next time you open your YouTube analytics and see a bunch of confusing numbers, just remember, CPM tells you what advertisers pay, monetized playbacks tell you how many ads were shown, and YouTube always takes its cut. And now you finally know how YouTube creators actually get paid.